Right, what's up, y'all? Question about 110 CFM exhaust fan. So here's the fan, okay? Let me just zoom in a little bit. Here's the model number. 110 CFM, 0.9 zones, right? What is that all over the motor? I noticed this, and when I did clean it, not the last time, but like the first time that I cleaned it in like a year and a half or whatever, I took it down, took off the blower wheel, and there was grease and oil all around like here on the inside. And then I turned the motor and it sounds like, watch, I'll show you. Also, side note, today, the 26th, marks 6 years that I have been on YouTube. Yeah, 6 years also. Watch this. One. See the light? Boom, that makes the fan stay on. But listen. And watch this. So is the motor bad? Like, do you think the bearings are bad? Because it should not make this fucking noise. And the reason why there's so much tape around is because it leaks and the screw doesn't hold it up. Like the clip here that goes in barely holds it. So I put this tape here to actually hold the fan housing in place, because I tried putting a longer screw in it and it did not work. I don't know why, but yeah. But let me know what's wrong with it, all right? Because I don't think it should be sounding like that. It's a new fan too. So yeah, let me know. And it's the 26th, which marks 6 years since I started this YouTube channel. Yeah, I know, 6 years ago today. It's crazy. All right, that's it for now. Peace. Let me know.